Okay, we are live finally. Hi guys, hi all. Thank you for joining. Thank you for waiting. I hope you are doing well. Today I am streaming with my friend Emil. You already might know him from our previous stream where we were talking about operating system programming and assembly, particularly 60-bit assembly. And yeah, this is how we are going to do it today. We will continue to work on it. We had absolutely no time to discuss what to do next or what we were doing. So today at the beginning we are going to improvise a bit. Emil, introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Masha's friend, and we made one stream before about the program operating system. Yeah, I did like a pet project assembly operating system when I was kid, and now we're trying to make it cooler.
Yeah, and just have fun because assembly is super fun. I hope you hear us well because we had some technical issues, but now it seems to be fine. So if anything that we can tune, please let us know. Yeah, and I'm still thinking how we are going to do this because lots of things here what we are doing with assembly requires checking out in the internet things, but for now I opened the code that we wrote. Also, by the way, the link on the GitHub to the GitHub repository is in the description of this video, so you can check it out. It is very simple, it is very primitive. We are using a bootloader sector where we are writing it, a bit extending the memory size, I guess, because the bootloader sector itself is very, very small and limited. So we are extending it, and for now our operating system can welcome you in our OS, and you can type things, and for now they're going to be doubled because the last thing that we were doing was creating a buffer which should capture the characters from the keyboard, and now it is also printing this character, so to be sure that buffer is actually recording something. And yeah, so you can see it is doubled. You can remove things, you can press enter and you will be on the next line. And this is basically for now it, and I guess, I'm not sure, Emil can correct me, but I think our next task is to create some commands, and that we will be able to like read, analyze, and process, right? I'm not sure.
Right.
Okay, then tonight no more web devs, only low-level fun in your two honor. Cool. I'm glad that you're enjoying it. I hope you also will have lots of fun. So, Emil, what do you think? Let's maybe, how to say, split some comments, and you can take some comments to program, and I can take the other part to program. What do you think?
Okay. At first, we need to go to the part where we copy the comma, the line, and make some conditions.
Conditions?
It will be our yes, comparing with something in our memory.
Oh, okay, I understand that what you mean. Okay, so for example, make simple like if the buffer is is similar to some command, then for example print similar or something. You are talking about this, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so
Not
here.
similar, but as in that database. I'm trying to verify that I'm human.
Maybe you are not. I will doubt. I will doubt. It's using bias commands, right? Instructions. We are using bias instructions. If I'm not mistaken. Yes, bias. Yes. And okay, I am doing. I will have some call. I am sure that there should be something
I
that.
think we can start clear screen. I
What?
think we can start with clear screen.
I can start with what?
Clear screen.
Clear screen. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. When we are exceeding the. I had lots of good sources here from the previous stream. I will see if I will keep them visible. Clear screen is very easy thing.
Yes. But for other things, we need to create a file system, like system, at least.
What do you mean about file system?
It's something to save files in outside the bootloader. Like
It
create
sounds.
file, writing something there.
Yeah. Sounds
and save.
pretty complicated. Okay, so now, for example, just for your reminder, we are working in the extended bias data area, which has 128 kilobytes. And yeah, so probably, how is it? Like you just also dedicate some address and then you create it there, or how it works exactly?
We need to like put the pointer section and then write. And then we need to know where is our pointers and what is their size. If you're talking about our file system.
Bishwas place, we are for now writing it in assembly, and since we are still working in the like bootloader sector, I'm not sure if like it depends how our funny project will what evolution will happen to it. Maybe we will start to write kernel and see, who knows. But for now it is just raw assembly and just fun. Gogi nuts, we are not trying to become better than Temple OS. I think it is not possible. Okay. It's actually, it seems to be very easy to have to read the data. Emil, so you are now investigating how to create files?
How to rerun what we did?
How to run what we did, really?
Yeah. For me, well, it was a big to pass the capture because I was with VPN and I'm still with VPN. Because I wasn't sure that I had the latest because you changed something after. And what are you trying to do?
I don't know, like, depends on what our goal is. If you want to first create files, I can check how to create files.
No. We can start with comments. We can start with comments. Like
okay. Okay, so
they have instructions.
Yeah, I also can create a screen cleaner. But it also, I need to understand where to know that I need to. I'm wondering what actually will happen if I will go to the end of terminal. I will just start from the beginning? No. Okay. It's weird. Okay, I will start with comments because I think it is much easier. Emil, you have lots of noise on the background.
Okay.
We are using bias. I need probably to type it because lots of questions. I don't know, maybe it makes sense if I will write it like this. Okay. 86 assembly, how to compare strings.
By byte, so we compare
yeah, I assume
2 bytes. Yes, and we can quit, or we can, and if we finish, it is our command. First idea. We need to create function that compare one string, one sequence of bytes with other sequence of bytes.
Yep.
And then do it for each comment.
I was just thinking that maybe there is some instruction that I don't know yet about, but I guess it is definitely how we will do this. We have, for example, repetition prefixes. I don't know what it is. They are meaningful only when preceding string instruction. Okay. Yeah, I also found this CMPS instruction, and I'm now just reading what it is and how to use it, if it is something that I want to use. Oh, okay, cool. It actually CMPSB is something that I want to do probably. Doiro, hi, thank you all for joining. We are now just we're trying to remember what we did last time, and I started to investigate how to properly compare two buffers in x86 assembly, and Emil, like at least 5 minutes ago, was trying to launch what we wrote previous time, and I'm not sure how.
I'm already loud. I'm just having fun with this because in this version, last version, it's repeating every character.
Yes, it is repeating every character because I'm calling print buffer to do this, but it was just a test output to know that we are doing everything correctly, you know.
Yes, I remember previous time I tried to doing it by enter and repeat the whole board.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do this too, of course.
And at least do you have something to interact on enter?
What do you mean? We have cursor enter function. We compare whether we typed enter, and if we typed enter, then we are processing enter, or what do you mean?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Freezy, it is my playlist playing. You can find the link to this playlist in the description. Oh. Okay, I see good example of comparison.
Yeah, I also trying to find if there are any options, not to compare byte to byte, but maybe
I already found it. It is instructions rep cmp sb. I will send you, and it feels like it is something that we need. Yeah, here you can find why these comments.
I also sent what GPT suggests.
I think it
and
won't
it looks
work.
like
You think it will?
I think it will.
Because this instruction
No.
also...
We need to try. Yeah, it looks like bullshit.
Okay, so I will just type the test Okay, I guess it's something random. And then move si. Move di. And then rep cmp sb. Yes. And I have no idea how to check it. Probably somewhere will be written. Compares and sets the status flags accordingly. Okay, that's good, because when it is done I can probably check by jump f0 success. Probably, I don't know. It should be 0, flag should be where I saw it. It should be not 0. If it is, okay, so it should be not 0. If it is G and Z, and we will have success thing. Success. We have print string. Good. And what is there? Word si. Okay. Move si success print string, and then probably just red. Okay. Okay, and yes, success. Success is what we are doing here, reaching it. Yes, I will increase the font size. Hopefully now it will be better. Let me know. I don't know what does mean call stack frame in the beginning of each function. We are not doing this. Lula, don't be worried. Game development is still something that I'm doing here usually, but today is just special day. Today we are doing assembly. Doiro, there is no like concept. We are just having fun. 86 assembly is very fun. We just having fun. We are friends. We are programming and sharing it with you. That's the whole concept.
suppose to change our type char because it doesn't say.
You change it?
I'm trying to change.
Why?
We need to save the whole string and only string. And then I compare this string with our comment.
Right, and we are now not
we need
filling the buffer. You wanted to say? I think that we actually do it. Like, I mean, from what I understand, we write it to the buffer, not the only first symbol, but the whole symbols. But the print function just works for one symbol, no? You have to recheck it, right? For example, change it to print string function. You have to move si buffer and then call print string. I can also try it. Just see. Oh yeah. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, maybe it doesn't work. I mean the buffer recorder.
It works only with one character.
Yes, I see it. But I think that I have a string comparison working. I have I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I don't have working it for now. Tuts, I'm using no Vim. Doiro, I don't know what it will be able to do. For now, we are trying to at least have a character typing buffer working. Nicholas, as far as I understand, usually people are writing small bootloader section in assembly, and they are loading the kernel, usually in C, as far as I saw. But then you are already starting also work in the protected mode, which we are not now. Whitecap, we only had one streaming before. I think that you haven't missed anything big. Okay. New instruction G60. Okay. Okay, it doesn't work. Oh no. I see this example on NASM tutorial. It looks correct. Conrado fix high. Emil, what name is going to be in this for this operating system?
I don't know. Now you can to do it, to create the name.
Well, I have to have this hard task. I don't know yet. I will think about that. Of course, we know about Temple OS. It is a shame to not know about that. Okay. I think I have a working comparison of strings. The only thing is that we have to provide the size of the command that we are going to test with, I think. So looks like it's working, but I need to do more tests. So. Okay, it's actually working. That's good. Why no AI in the name? I was thinking about exactly this.
So I don't see any updates. Now I see.
What? Yeah. I will. If you want, I will send you the updated file.
As
again.
I can see.
Yeah.
Are you sure that string comparison is working?
Yes, I'm sure. Because, for example, like, give me a moment. If you now see that I'm comparing these two buffers, AA and BB, and I have wrong letter here, and it will repeat comparing the characters from SI and DI, and it will repeat comparing it until we reach the end of the word, or we will stop if the characters aren't correct. And here I am checking if CX register is 0. It means that we reached the end of the word and we are success, and I am printing the success. And the only thing that is a problem for now is that I have to provide len, but I can provide len by pushing it to register before calling, for example, test compare string, yes. So it's probably not an issue. I will now show you after I will resolve the compiling error. Probably I can't do it like this. But I can just type it manually, because it is also how you can do it. No, you can't. Like this. Undefined symbol. How? I thought it is. Phasm EQ. Maybe it's not the operation from Phasm. Yes, it doesn't have this operation. Okay. Phasm is a bit simpler here. Okay, I see. Cool. Interesting. Minus, for example, No, maybe it's not working. Maybe it's not working. I was hoping it is. I thought I had a good examples of it working. What changed? Okay, so it was an issue with this equal thing. Okay, that it doesn't actually matter at the end, I think. Let's see. Okay, Emil, presentation time. Can you check?
A second. Okay, my version is working. I'm.
Sorry?
Yes, presentation time.
Yeah, okay. So I'm at the beginning, when we call welcome, I'm calling test compare, which should jump to success thing that will output the success message. So I have two words here, TVST and T2ST, yes? And now if I will start it, I have no success, right? You see it, no success. And when I am changing this to V, I have, wait, I have success. You see success? They are same. Yes?
I'm waiting for the stream because I see only your code.
Oh, okay. Yes, because I'm sharing only the code with you. Yes, right. I'm sorry, but let me know when you see it. It's success. Targ 76 because the operation repassing PSB will move this SX register, decrement it each iteration.
Okay, I thought you're already typing because I concentrated on typing, on saving typed characters.
Yeah, I know the buffer. Yes, no,
Okay,
I worked on this compare thing, but I will then go to the buffer thing. No problems. I will just do 4 small tests and I can send you the code if you want. The issue is here that no, actually it's not an issue now. This is not an issue. The issue will be we will also need to somehow check for the length of the buffer because it's not it's something that is not checked, and you have all very noise on the background.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I've sent it to you.
Let's see the working method compare.
Sorry?
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah. I asked for the method.
Okay, so Emil, just for your information, now I will debug how to write to buffer characters correctly. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Where was the table of keyboards? Somewhere we had a table of keyboards.
I think it's on our links in our chat.
Yeah, I closed it. Okay. Oh, Diary, thank you. It is actually a very cute name suggestion. Pika OS as Pikachu. But I have a bad associations, not bad, but different associations because me and my brother we used to call pizza Pika, and each time when we were eating pizza, we were saying that we are eating piku.
Send you the table.
Sorry?
I send you the table.
Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, I see it. Cool. Yes, 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 this one, of course. I want to try something. You again have lots of noise. What is wrong with your microphone today? Emil?
I worked Mac because my headphones stopped working with my Mac. This is new update for the Mac, and now it's working very bad. They broke everything.
Sorry? They broke it?
They broke everything in Mac.
Great. Alokar Alist. In order to make a game engine, you need to have lots of physics. I am trying to exercise every morning at least 10 minutes. I'm not always doing this, but if not to attempting to be like to kidding, I have absolutely zero knowledge in physics, and I'm not attempting to write physics engines, so in my case it's not an issue. If you are going to write a physics engine, then of course you have to know physics, like it's obviously. No, Theodore Mikhail, it is just assembly, something like operating system in the bootloader sector, just because we can work in unprotected mode and play with the interrupts, but nothing like else for now.
Yes, I made buffer, but it works without. Oh, I have only one problem. When I press enter, I want to make a new line, but it's working. I can send you.
Oh, okay, okay. It is. You have the code with the compare strings, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's send me it. I don't see it yet.
Wait a sec.
How did you get to these levels? Can you tell me? I am an undergrad and love your content a lot. AK, thank you, but I don't think that there's any level. I guess the only really cool thing that I am doing, and today together with Emil, that we are not hesitating to share it and to share our struggle and have also, of course, fun, but for example, regarding the assembly, I'm absolutely noob, I'm absolutely the beginner, and I'm also now like the most percent of time I'm just reading the manuals and some pages that I can find, and actually it is very hard to find something good for assembly and to understand it, but it's just, yeah, I just don't, I'm not afraid I'm not afraid of being stupid, yes, like that's very cool thing, I guess, but I don't think that I have any like bigger knowledge here that you can't have or that you don't have.
Sent. Do you see it?
Oh, okay, I will just check. Emil, do you share the country where you live? I am living in Europe.
I am living in Russia now. I lived in many countries, but now I'm in Russia. Not because this is choice, because other countries doesn't accept me to go there, like Germany.
For now.
So they just don't give me a job. It's too hard, like
To find a
foreigner
job, yes.
for them. You should be really a good level person, like 10 years or manager or like high for them.
Okay, I'm checking what you've changed. So buffer position. Oh, of course, you have buffer position. It is actually very good, right?
Yes, yes.
I thought that, yeah, this is the reason why we don't have anything working. And now when we do print buffer, it is actually
just write command and then press. It should show okay.
So handle enter. I don't know. You don't. Yeah. Handle enter. So when you do enter, you also write the. SIMD fail. Cool. Beautiful. Call print string. Awk message. Cool. And with what you are comparing with the command. Okay. Cool. This is so sick. Nice. Wow, Emil, this is crazy. But it doesn't work second time. Do you know that? Oh no, it does
I
work.
didn't check.
It does work. It does work, but probably with some, like for example, I typed something else, pressed enter, I typed command, happened nothing, then I pressed enter, I typed command, and now it print okay. But I guess it is like totally super thing. This is super good. I like it very much. I think that also in a while I would like to suggest to have a break because I am out of my water and I need my water because now it is super hot, got hotter, and I need to drink. What do you think, Emil?
Yes, we can. I don't mind.
Wow, this is so cool that you wrote. Very cool. I really like it. Matryoshka OS. What do you mean Easter eggs in the operating system? Like пасхалки, or what does it mean? Emil, do you know?
Yes, пасхалки.
Easter egg is пасхалки, yes?
Yes,
Yeah.
Easter, Pascha, egg, pizza.
Okay, will we have Easter eggs in operating system?
Of course.
Okay, so Emil, before we go for a break, let's discuss if such a great part of work is already done. We can actually try to handle some comments. You can take some amount or not amount, like you will take one comment, I will take one comment. What do you think?
Yes.
Or we will
Yes.
start, or since this part is basically done and creating the command execution is also basically nothing, maybe we can check how to create files in the bootloader sector, because I guess it is more complex topic. Or what do you think? Huh?
Yes, it's more complicated.
And I guess it is more important because what for we need a commands if we have nothing in our operating system?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, make set pixel in video mode. It is also something cool, right? To have some colors there. Actually, yes. Okay, then let's go for a small break and then we will be back in 10 minutes. Yes?
We can also change colors of our.
Yeah, this is also cool. Yeah, maybe
characters.
we can have also a beginning of the command line, like you know in the Linux you have in the terminal this like yeah, we can do this. This is also cool. Okay, then I guess it is even funnier for today than than go directly to the file creation, I guess. Yeah. Okay, then a break and then we are continuing.
Да, ты меня еще слышишь. Давай. Алло, привет. Ты же не начала стрим? Да. Просто я не видел, я не все читал, я не видел токсика. Да.
Okay, we are back. Hi all. We finished on the stage that Emil rewrote the buffer input and output, so now we can actually type some command and compare the command with some command and print something if it is equal, which is great. And I guess now I really like the idea of making some colors, so we can try to make some colors. And also, of course, files creation will be also important, even though I have no clue how to make it for now. And I will check the comments. In winter we can't have one OS development stream per week because I am already streaming usually per week the engine development, which is my core field of interests, and unfortunately I am employed full-time, so I can't dedicate more days for that. So with Emil we are streaming when we both have time, I guess, for this. Emil, will we do our own file system or use something like FAT32? I don't know what is FAT32.
Is file system already written to like Linux? We can use some things from BIOS.
Some things from BIOS? BIOS, okay.
In BIOS. And so using flat assembler, we can read sectors from our disks, from like SSDs and from hard disks. So I think we in our old code from that was 10 years ago. And check how it did.
Are we building an OS from scratch? I guess we are. We are trying to. For now it is very limited. We are basically learning how to code in assembly.
So we need to find the next free sector.
And again, your microphone is...
Yes. We need to find the next free sector to understand if the sector is free. So we can use 1 byte from each sector. So if we put 1, we cannot rewrite this sector. If we put 0, we can rewrite this sector. as it works in like traditional file systems.
Okay. I will read some documentation. Jason Garner, we are not that competent, I guess, to make a full computer science class. At least I'm not. I know that Emil had lessons, even though I don't know if it was computer science, but Emil was teaching.
Yes, machine learning.
Machine learning, okay.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, but here we are just trying to write some code on assembly. Reading documentation, yes. access, we are talking to chat whenever we see something to talk about. But maybe we are not that active as you expect us to be. Sorry for that. Okay. Ash. Brian Wolf result will be ready not today. Freezy, I am now trying to make just colorful update, and then I'm going to check if we can do set pixel. It is biased, yes. in winter we divide work, just we are discussing what we are planning to do and who can do what, but usually now we were just doing the same task together, and whenever someone had an issues, other could help to solve it. I don't know.
But I'm working on file system.
File system already?
No, very hard. I'm working on. Maybe we need to save only one file as a start to the buffer into the, because yeah, it will take time, many hours, at least 2. We also can add a new backspace that can delete enter and return the cursor to the previous position.
So to delete enter.
Yes. if you are at the start of new line, you can make backspace and return to previous position.
Yes. Okay, I see. Do you know that? No, actually, don't mind now. Okay.
So colors is our first priority.
Okay, I'm trying
That
to
you're trying to do.
investigate.
Oh, but we can do anything with these colors. We can make each character different color.
Mm-hmm.
I'm out of our section.
What do you mean?
So we have like specific section to where we can have code.
Yes,
and,
yes, 128 kilobytes.
Yes.
And you are out.
Yes.
We can use... wait. So now we are in extended bias data area. And you also have also some bias expansions, which is 160 kilobytes. It is ROM and hardware mapped memory type.
Okay.
But it is still not that much, actually. Actually, this is also not that
yes,
much.
I understand, but it's better than that path.
Yeah, and like you can see these addresses here I'm sending you. Haha, I have one red dot. I've done one red dot. This is good.
Wow.
Even though now I can't actually... Oh, commute terminated is also red. What I'm doing is not correct, probably. Not correct usage of instructions. Oh yeah, I see. Haha, cool. It is a bit wrong now, but it's infinite loop.
I see interesting comments. What
Uh,
about making a bare metal terminal game? No. We can do it inside the OS.
I just think that, yeah, the idea of operating system and reading about it, it is something that is very interesting for me. And since I don't have lots of free time in my life, I'm very happy to be able to have such sessions with Emil, and like it's forcing myself to learn about it, and I find it very curious. So I mean, making a game inside it is of course a terrific idea, but I don't like. I do like the uh, idea about operating system too. So uh, Wolf, like I don't know about what components are you talking about. We only know how to type characters and compare it with the so named command. Naman, I am not remembering. I'm all the time now reading the manuals. I know literally so small amount. Hmm.
Okay, this is too much. To help with your part.
Okay, I am just now doing thing that I am attempting to clean screen, and after that only start printing. Cool. Emil, I am now printing, clearing the screen and printing with the red our welcome message, but I have an issues there. I never finished the loop. Trying to understand why.
I'm trying to see it.
Oh, in the stream it should work. Doiro, my cat's name is Simba. Have you seen it?
Yes. So I can see all of your code.
Sorry?
I cannot see all of your code now.
Yeah, of course. You want me to share? But it's still,
Yes.
as I said, now I have an issue because it is in a forever loop when it prints the text, so it's never exiting. AL has never reached the terminate symbol. Kinda sad. Oh, I understand why. Of course. I now will solve it. Yes. Will be not start. Welcome. Yep, okay, now I'm working. Yay! It is printing in red the welcome message, even though I see at the beginning one dot. I have no idea why. But it's still good for now. Oh.
I see. It's hard to see it
Okay.
from the stream, but okay, yeah, I see. Cool.
I will send you for a new file. And your command is still working, which is cool.
Command, okay.
Can I do it like this? Yeah, I can, okay. Rose play, we are writing on Phasm.
I added CLS comment also. Clear screen, good. Like it.
Cool. Yeah, for reference regarding my fan, I have no clue how does it work because I definitely manually set up the speed for them depending on the temperature, but it works very random, but like not random. When I had infinite loop, it is obviously that probably I was cycling too fast and consuming lots of powers, but who knows. In normal life it actually is not that noticeable, only when I'm programming. Coincidence?
I don't hear you. Do you hear me?
I hear you, but I'm not saying anything.
Okay.
Okay, while load as base, loading some garbage. Oh, yes, of course. Fuck. No, it's not that. Okay, no garbage anymore. Nice. Oh, Emil, I found a bug bug on
Where?
your code. When I type command, it's printing okay. But when I type com, it's not printing okay. But when I'm typing comma, it is printing okay.
Okay.
I will for now play with set pixel, and you solve your bug. It's kidding. Oh, you shouldn't, of course. Oh, actually, it is funny to try to make a command just to clear and to clean screen. I think it's already implemented. We can just try to use it.
Yes, yes. I send your code for this.
Sorry?
I made it. I sent this code just to try your code.
Oh, okay.
Just to play with your this.
Okay.
And you deleted this dot at the start.
Yes, yes, yes. I can send you the last version if you want.
No, I also did the same. Okay.
And you send me the handling for clearing screen, right? I see. Handle enter the new version. Okay. Let me. Fuck, I can't copy this.
But you need to define.
Sorry?
It's very common.
I don't hear
But
you.
you need to define the.
Yeah, I will.
And one person asking us, are we going to make a GUI? I think it's impossible.
I think it's super impossible, yes.
I still didn't tell about my game.
Oh, of course. Please present yourself. Promote
Yes,
yourself.
I'm making a game in Telegram. This game is for Russian speakers because it is with words. So I think you may remember the game that was not 10 years old, but maybe 8 years. When you see 4 photos and need to write one word. So I will say in Telegram and now for Russian speakers, but I think we will make it for any language, at least for English. So you can you add the link?
Yes, of course. Send me
Okay.
and I will add it to the chat. Have you sent it to me? I don't see it.
Just a second.
Yeah, we are from Russia and Emil still lives there. I live now in Europe. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is the link for the game. Who is using Telegram, please check it out. It is very fun and nice thing. Why it has start equals sudo in the link?
It's just on the so who is gone from your link? I'm interested. I'm
Okay.
interested in
Okay.
just to know
Okay, cool,
what's from
cool.
your stream.
This is nice, cool. If you check it, please type some comment. I have no thoughts on Windows 11 positive. Why would I? I'm trying to avoid using Windows as much as I can. It's not clearing actually the screen for some reason. And I will say you more. I am in infinite loop again. Something is wrong here. Huh. No, I don't know. Oh, okay, I see, because the jump, I guess, is missing.
With comma is not working. Only with command. I think I missed one. Like I know how to fix it.
I don't have university degree in computers or anything like that. Emil has he was doing microcontrollers thing, and then he started to do really advanced physics, and it's crazy what he's doing.
Controllers. I was engineer on making chips. It's like people who inventing new processors, but in the very deep side. So it was about the technology of creating processors and a bit of creating our own logic. And I also have the same bug with
Yes, and I
command
understand
DDD.
why, because I use red in the clear screen function, but it should use jump to type character, but it's also something that we don't want, because we want at the beginning clear screen and then call welcome. Oh, actually, I can do it differently. Give me a moment. Probably. Yes. I think that I can make it like this and it will work. Cool! Almost cool. Now it is doing weird things. It's very weird. How you clear buffer?
Me?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll find this and which slide.
Emil Vasi is asking, what do you think about modern higher education in the field of computer science?
Modern higher education in the field of computer science. I don't need to tell my, because I don't think that computer science education is something that people need. This type of education, I mean universities or colleges, but I think we will have AI-based fast education in half a year in topics of computer science. I'm just writing a new buffer after mm, in CMD I'm making store AX and then move buffer position.
Oh, okay.
So
That's why it doesn't
it
work for my clear screen thing. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I see. Cool. I will probably just hard code this XOR AX move buffer post AX when the clear screen is called. Even though we have to figure it out for some other command, either we should all the time process it, or I mean to call this, because now I was all the time, the buffer had the clear command, so whenever I was pressing enter, it was clearing the screen. Okay, it's still broken, totally broken now. Fuck. Not totally, but still super weird. Emil, what are you looking now on?
I'm trying to fix my bug. Now working on command and with less amount of, but it's still working with more bigger amount of less letters. And I know why.
You know why, yes?
Yes, I know why. It's
Mhm.
evident. I don't know how I didn't find it before. And what are you doing now?
I have an assumption that you are not clearing the buffer properly, so I'm trying to understand how to clear it properly.
Or yes, I'm just resetting the pointer.
Yes, I understood it, and I guess that might be our issue in in some moments. Because now it acts very weirdly whenever I am clearing the screen, and after that it is very silly in processing the enter input. B.O. Shedak, I have no books recommend about assembly, or at least I have one, but it's in Russian, from Russian author. But I have very favorite web with different assembly tutorials, and I'm always sharing it with the people. Okay, Emil, what about break, and then we are going to continue? No?
I think we can break and then go because it's 9 o'clock.
Already? So let's program a bit more at least. I want to try to clean the buffer properly, and then
Okay.
yeah.
Our bugs and then finish.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, okay. I find an option to clean it, I guess. I don't know if it will work, but I will try. Yeah, I don't know. No, probably not this part. Okay, I will see. I'll see. Yes. Okay, let's see. Good. No, it doesn't work, I think. What else can be an issue? The X can be an issue too. Oh, I had an issue here, actually. Oh no. No. Relative jump out of range. Emil, have you experienced issue relative jump out of range?
No. Relative jump out of range.
Oh no!
It's,
It feels like I am. It feels like I'm extending the memory. No. No, I don't know. What does it mean? I'm starting to have very weird compiler errors. Huh. I've deleted one function and byte word and I can compile now. It feels like we are going to the end of our sector.
But we are still in EBDA.
Sorry?
We are still in EEDA.
Yes.
but at least I fixed command and other command.
Cool. How? Send me it.
I changed it to J0, and I watched for 7 symbols, 7 bytes. Now I'm watching for 8 with 0
Okay.
at the end.
Do you have there
I send you.
also? I don't have it. Do you have there also the clearing the screen thing?
I have.
Yeah, okay. Then send me this because my version is not working now.
I'm using your version. It's bad. It blocking other commands, but I think you're fixing it now.
I fixed it. Yes. Then okay. Okay. I'll just rename it. I guess I can call it 16-bit assembly because we are using 16-bit registers, so vCore, thank you for your opinion. We are just learning it, and of course when you learn, lots of things can cause an issues, and it is something that you just have to get through and like step over them, and after a bit of suffering maybe it will still be fine, I believe.
So in terminal, it looks like it's not working, but it's working.
What do you mean?
So in my terminal, it just move all previous text upper and shows only new line. But I think it's working. What problem do you have?
I will show you in a moment. Give me one moment. problem is that I'm in the stage where I have to delete lines of of code in order to compile.
You can decrease length of messages because
How can I do
each
this?
message. So you have starting message. Each letter is 1 byte.
Yes, you want just me to decrease it, but it was so beautiful message. Okay, I will do this.
Yes, yes, we can say it. We can comment it.
Okay, now it will be 18. Okay, and yes, Emil, it is very important. You see it or no?
No.
Okay, let me know when when you will watch the stream. Hollis, I work as an engine developer at Egosoft. Emil is also doing programming, but I don't know who is he, like backend or full stack. Who are you, Emil?
So the problem is when you type something and press enter,
No, it happens only after, for example, now I started to, again, the OS, and you can see I typed 3 lines. I typed command, which returned OK. And whenever I am doing clear, I cleared a screen, and after that I am always doing something very weird. I don't know what exactly. I have not determined it yet, but it is super weird. Maybe I have an assumption that I'm actually not at the beginning on offline. I'm not sure, but I think that I'm not. Even that's weird. It's weird. Should be at the beginning. Yes, I'm setting the cursor top left. So I would assume that I am top left. It is your new code for...
It's not new, but I just seen how bad is in your like in that my old version that I sent to you.
So I need to change it. Yes.
Just replace, yes.
Okay.
And I still don't understand what's the problem. Do you enter after so after clear it looks like it's okay.
It cleared, I can type, but whenever I press enter, it is, I don't know what is happening. Actually, it's either clearing the screen, or it is moving the cursor to the new line and somehow we can't see what was there. I don't know. Need more to investigate. Oh, cool. Yeah, it is. I think, of course, it should be my code. Should be stupid, but clear screen too. What's happening there? Yes, whenever I'm pressing enter, it feels like it is clearing it all over and over again. It feels like. So either it thinks that we are still in the buffer has still clear in it, but when I type command it has nothing, so it does nothing, so I'm not sure if it's correct assumption.
I see.
I can send you if you want how it looks in my case. Liska, I am working as an engine programmer at Egosoft, and Emil is doing something like full stack programming, I don't know.
Yes, it is full stack. And now I'm also designer.
Do you like?
They don't want.
Do you like your job?
Designer.
You're a designer. Do you like your job?
Kind of. Some parts of my job I like. The most interesting part on job, I think it's salary day.
Is what?
The salary.
Yeah, this might be good, yeah.
I'm kidding. Yeah, we have a lot of interesting things, and it's for me it's free. So I suggested my own project, and they agreed with that, and I did what I want. So yeah, I have a lot of cool moments in my job, and a lot of bad moments. Not a lot, but some bad moments, as a usual job. So you're always choosing between what is important for you.
Emil, I almost fixed it. The last bug happens. And I don't know why.
Or
Can you watch? Can? Let me know when you are ready.
I'm ready to watch.
Okay, so whenever I type something, yes, everything is good. I can erase things. I can type your comment. I can type clear. I am clearing. I am ready to type. And now, for example, when I type comment, you can see that it is acting very weird. I think for some reason it is, first of all, it is typing from right to left, and the cursor position is at the beginning of the screen. I can type something else and it is clearing, almost clearing. No, it is absolutely corrupted. It is not typing correct. Something is wrong. I didn't fix anything. But I've done I've done clean buffer function with the example that I found from the internet, and it feels that it is actually working, because before that it was wrong from the beginning. I will just retest that it is actually doing something.
I think we also can clear, like move the x0, move the x. Sometimes it helped us.
Yes,
in previous.
yes, definitely. Yeah, okay, I have a feeling that it is clean buffer works.
Yeah, it's something from hell.
I have absolutely not a small idea what is wrong here. Why after clearing the screen it starts to act this way?
We need to check. We need to put to make buffer pointer 0 every line.
What again? Sorry?
Every line we need to move buffer pointer to 0.
I thought that you are doing it mov buff pos ix. It's basically 0, no?
At first, not this is not the correct enter in your code.
Can I just move? No,
You
I
don't
can't.
have correct.
Sorry?
You don't have correct enter. Handle enter is not correct.
Okay, can you send me the correct one?
I already sent it. And you just need to change 2 lines.
Wait. You did it where?
In Discord, 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes ago.
Okay, I've
But
probably
I
missed
think
it.
it's not.
What it's not?
It's not that problem.
I assume.
Just assume.
Why command has 8 lines now?
Because command and 0.
Okay, so clear it's 6. Okay. Is CMD file not changed?
Oh? Changes. You added clear buffer.
This is so weird.
No.
New line. Is it bulletproofed?
What is bulletproof?
That you like, are you sure that new line function is correct?
It's from your code.
Ah, okay.
New line.
Okay, so we are not sure that it is
I just
correct.
found it.
Yeah. I will recheck new line function because no, it's just like it is so weird that at the beginning everything is fine, and after cleaning the screen it is like super stupid. Super stupid, absolutely.
Are you calling start with clearing all the registers?
Yes,
enter.
yes.
It's on clear buffer, yes?
Yes.
Someone suggested us to use Grok. These language models are very bad in assembly language. We tried them previous stream, and they are very bad. But we can try maybe the updated. I heard a new version of OpenAI model. Not today, but in I think 2 weeks ago. I think we can make. I have a decision for us.
Okay.
Make feature for our operating system that can have only one clear screen.
That okay.
This is our feature.
It will be super stupid. No, Emil, sorry. Of course, it's like it is always an option, right? But I really want to understand why it is typing from like right to left for some reason. But like, of course, it's not today, but we will do it tomorrow. So stupid. Okay, I fixed that. Yay. We can have several clear screen in our operating system. Have you heard it? Try to imagine without looking into my sharing code what was the fix. Just try to guess. Emil, I'm talking to you.
Yes, I already watched on your code, and I see
it's our favorite. It's our favorite moving zeros to the registers.
But I asked you, so you already did this.
Yes, you asked me when I was doing this, and I was doing it after I print the welcome message. When I print the welcome message, I was moving to the register zeros. But apparently, I had to do it before calling the black clearing this of the screen, like because something probably was messing there with the registers that were in use, so it was giving such weird.
Interesting, but it doesn't have sense. Okay.
But now
okay,
it
that's
works
cool.
absolutely.
Now
nice.
I watched your.
Sometimes when I type command or clean, it is not from the very first time processing it, but usually it works.
Yes, I watched Yeah, cool.
Cool.
But it took
Oh, you
50
see now, for
minutes
example, I
from
typed
previous.
command and nothing. But when I retype, it has OK. So it is cool anyway. Okay, do you want me to send you the code, or if you have something to share, I can add it, because if we are going to finish, I will want to git push it.
Yes, you can just push it.
Okay, then you have nothing to share. Okay. Then... you want to finish already?
Yeah.
Yes?
I want. Yes, of course.
Okay.
Course.
Okay. Then
Absolutely.
thank you all guys for being here today on our assembly learning session, and I hope you enjoyed this type of stream, even if you don't. I enjoy it, so this is good, and I hope you will have a very, very nice week, everyone, and see you next time. And hopefully I maybe will have a different schedule next weeks, so I will try to inform it about it in advance. But anyway, we will still code, we will have fun, if we can call it like this, and I hope you will have a good week. Yes, so thank you for being here, and bye.
Bye.